How are you? Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, who says that? Good morning, human units. How are we all? My God, what an incredibly beautiful day. It's so warm, there isn't a cloud in the sky. So I said I'd come up to the top of Craignamurra and have my lunch. So I've done these mountains a few times, so I'm going up. Glengarra, Craignamurra. They're all at the back of Mylossa in Killaloe, which is, Mylossa is the highest peak in Clare. So let's get after it. My God, it's hot today. Oh, really, really is. I have sun cream with me, but I haven't got it on yet. We're just making our way up to Glengala. Handy tip for your snood, put it around your wrist and you can get rid of all your sweat. We're looking back here. That's Locharay Mountain. That is known as Diarmid and Grania's bed. Okay, so if you don't know that story of Diarmid and Grania, Grania was the daughter of Cormac mac Airt. He was one of the High Kings of Ireland. And she was destined to marry Fionn McCool. Fionn McCool is one of the mythical legends of Ireland. He was one of the, part of the elite warriors. Fionn and the Fianna were an elite clan of warriors that used to protect the High Kings of Ireland. So Grania was meant to marry Fionn, but it turned out that she actually fell in love with Diarmid, which was one of Fionn McCool's soldiers or warriors that went with him. So over there, Locharay, that was known as Diarmid and Grania's bed. That's where it all started, where they ran off. So there's so much beautiful history here, but the one hike I am absolutely crazy to do, I'd love to do it, is called Diarmid and Grania's Cave, which is up in Mayo. So that's one mountain I want to, that's the highest cave in Ireland. Google it, Diarmid and Grania's Cave. It's spectacular. So Diarmid and Grania, they were on the run for many, many years until they were found, and I think they stayed a long time up in Diarmid and Grania's Cave up in Mayo, but pretty cool. Okay, we'll keep going. We're coming into more open land now, which is great, so we'll see you in a minute. Are you alright? Idiot. Yeah, she thought that was normal grass and she jumped in. You can see over in the distance over here Keeper Hill, and then you have Mylossa, and then you have Craignamurra, and we're just after coming off Glenagala. I love the we all know names of mountains, I love that, but the one thing that has lost its meaning in history is, like, that's Glengala Mountain, but it also had 3 other names. So like that used to be known as Witch Mountain, not Witch Mountain, but actual witches. Like, that's a symbol for a hat, I think. That kind of witch with the broom and the cat, yeah, that kind of witch, which is Witch Mountain. And this is the Slieve Beara range. The Beara range is what these all are, but there's a valley going down there. So that is Witch Mountain, which was on the valley of the Standing Stones, and that came from when all the pagans and the druids, they used to stand up stones for I suppose pagan religious reasons and whatnot. It was also known as the Valley of the Strangers. Don't know much about that one. So yeah, it's cool, and like it's these names have lost their translation in history, and we just know them as the names of the mountain now. It's like everything. It's like every mountain in Ireland probably has a history and a name to it. Electric fence. That wasn't the most manliest scream, was it? My God, it's getting hot. Hotter, should I say. I'm absolutely sweating, which is good. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well through this, like we're in lockdown since Christmas. That is just, it's hard to take, isn't it? Like we have 5 kilometers since Christmas has done a lot of harm to a lot of people, mental health wise. Like we in Limerick, which is a bit of a black spot for suicide, unfortunately, we have the amazing suicide watch prevention people who walk the bridges every night, and they've saved many lives. But it kind of sums it up that during lockdown that they have to start walking 24 hours a day now, which just shows the situation we're in. So it's very hard. At least we're seeing a bit of light at the end of the tunnel, and I know you're probably sick of hearing that or sick of saying that. I know I am. It's hard to stay positive during all this, but look, we're getting there. And for anyone who's working at home or living at work, make sure that you get some time to get out of the house, especially at the weekend, which is exactly what I am doing now. It's hard when you don't have a commute. Your commute home is walking down the stairs to the kitchen, so it's very tough. But just, you need to create that healthy balance, and that healthy balance needs, you need to get out and force yourself to get out, whether you like it or not. So yeah, I hope you're doing well, and I hope you realise that it's 100% okay to not feel okay. And that's a message that we should be giving out to everyone, that it is okay to not feel okay. Everybody has their inner battles. So a problem shared is a problem halved. So don't be afraid to talk to someone. You'd be surprised the relief that will have for you. So reach out to anybody. And look, I'm looking forward to Mountain a Month starting back up again, and we'll get our group hikes going again. But for now, just take care of yourself. Don't drink much. Take your multivitamins, and yeah, just mind yourself. It's very important. Ooh, electric wire. Get away. Let's find an eating spot. She just loves those bars. Jesus, you don't take the full bar, like. It's just amazing up here. Okay, soldier on. Come on. The dog is deaf, she can't hear me. Next! She'll see me. Oh, she won't, she's blind as well. Oh, there she is. Alright. So I hope you're all having a good weekend. I'll continue my weekend now with I'm doing a bit of a car camper, if that's what you call it. You know, I'm turning my car into a bit of a camper. So again, another little project that I'm doing. So I'm going to put up some footage about that. So my rest of my weekend is fitting out the sleeping platform in the car. That makes the car sound massive. It's not. It's just an estate car. So that's what my plan is. To sleep in my car for the summer. In random mountains is the way to do it. So I'm looking forward to that. I might do a bit of a video of me making it, so it's cool. Why not? Why not? More rubbish. More. So one thing that really gets to me is people leaving rubbish on the mountain. It's just a horrible thing. Hence, if you find some, chuck it into your bag and bring it home. Throw it in the bin, which I am doing right now. Look at that. That's beautiful. I have way too many stones at home. I'll follow you, Lex. Beautiful area in here, isn't it? So green. Back on the road. Happy days. It's gorgeous here. You can actually smell the stream. There's a lovely little stream here. But anyway, come here. Thank you so much for watching. And as I say, like the aim of this channel is to try promote good mental health and good mental fitness. So please like and share and subscribe. And yeah, lovely day. Thanks for joining me. Take care. See you later. Bye. So a little tip for you. I got this. It's like €7, but it's a hiking boot bag. It's so handy and it's waterproof, so it'll keep and plus there's air vents on here, so it'll keep your boots drying out while they're in an area. But what I found the handiest is I got this thing called the Mud Mate. So I'll show you how it works. So you bring your water with whatever, washing up liquid or whatever the hell you want in it. Twist this on. This fits on any bottle, any kind of like water bottle that you buy in a shop, I suppose. That goes on, and then you can wash your boots. Sorted.